at Universal Studios Orlando, and we just walked in. It feels like there's a million people here, but we are still gonna have a good day. We're gonna hop in the Red Barn or the Christmas store here at Universal, the Tribute store, and see if my picture is finally in there yet. Hopefully it is. And then we're gonna go over to the newly opened Curious George splash pad area, and they also have a giant ball pit. We're gonna see if everything's open over there. So join us today and let's have a good time. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Monsters Cafe, we're gonna go inside and eat here. We've tried a couple places around here, City Walk, and everything's pretty full, like an hour wait. So we're gonna go on in here. And there was no wait. Small thing. Here's the food we got. 2 mac and cheeses and a rotisserie chicken and the barbecue pulled pork with some slaw and cornbread. It looks delicious. And we're in this room. Spider up here on the ceiling, as well as right above our table. There is. And these spooky looking masks.
The ghost stepfather. What?
The chairs, they look like Frankenstein's bride hair.
Here is new horror. Idle national best, long shady as the money, with Bigfoot on very soon.
Yeah, it's her hair.
But her hair is black and white. But this is black and white.
All right, there's Earl's gift wrappers of the season.
No one here. Mommy.
Oh, yay! Does it look like me?
Not really.
Do I need to look this way?
Not really.
It is. It's me. It's snowing! That's so neat! Going in. Alright, so we are in Fievel's Wayland over here. Brandon has never ridden on this little water slide. So, I'm very excited to film all of them coming down off the slide. All right, you guys have fun. I'm gonna film you coming down. Yay! of them got. All right, that was fun. And it is open. Curious George goes to town. We finally get to go back in this play area. We're excited. Over here is a smaller little playground area, but back here is where you get wet. Oh yeah, see the parade floats. Yeah, we can see them right there. There's an elf. It's gone now.
Look. I'm an animal. I'm an animal. Wait, Mama. You can find it.
We're gonna go in the bakery.
Oh, God.
We need a dessert.
What's this do?
Oh, so the person in there gets wet. Oh, the bucket just dropped. Oh, there's a bathtub up there. Oh, okay, so there's two. There's a bucket and there's another bucket. They've never been more excited to pick something up. Daddy's getting you! Oh, it's around!
What's gonna get me?
Daddy!
Oh, it's so up there.
Don't put that thing in there, then. They're gonna fall out. Do like one at a time.
Whoa! They're gonna fall! Oh, kablooey!
See the parade over here. The back box.
There they are! There's the parade!
Owen, crank that up here. So they're cranking it, and it actually brings the balls up here and drops them upstairs in this bucket here. Kind of slow process, but it's working. That way you can transfer them to the blaster guns around here. See him coming out? Ah, don't think I got it. See if you can hit her again. All right. See if I can hit Heather over there. It's kind of hard to do with one hand because the balls actually fall out of the gun if the gun's at an angle.
And then all the balls go right in her bag. I think they're falling out. Oh no!
Watch for who he hit. He's hitting that guy right there right now.
He's just hammering a guy down there in the face. Yup, we're doing this. On the last night. What? Right now, we're in front of Men in Black Alien Attack. And across the water. It's just so beautiful. All the music and all the lights lit up. And the tree, you can see the tree lighting up in all different colors. Let's try to get a closer look. Isn't it beautiful? We're on our way out. It's 8 o'clock. And now both Universal and Islands are closed. We only went to Universal today. And it closes at 8 o'clock because there's an Orlando Informer meetup tonight. We did not watch Mannheim Steamroller. Today was the first day. Today is December 4th. The tree is beautiful. I wonder if we're gonna see Earl the squirrel popping out on the other side. There's the tribute store. There's Earl the squirrel. We had a really great time at Universal Studios today. We were able to go to the tribute store and we saw my picture finally in the store. I was so excited about that. So hopefully if you get to go, you'll see my picture in there. It was fun. And we had a really good time. Got a little bit cold during the day. Today this little tank top was fine. It was quite warm today. But then it got dark and I left my long sleeve shirt in the car. So I'm a little bit chilly, but I'm all right. It's not like I'm freezing, but it's pretty good weather still today in December here in Florida. So we had a really great time. Please hit the like button for this video and don't forget to subscribe with bell notifications for more upcoming videos here on our channel, Sunshine and Family Time. Thank you for watching, and now it's your family time. Bye.